How's it going, folks? OG in the building. Shout out motherfuckers trying to get paid for their music. OG definitely sit here and tell you what to do. If you're here trying to get paid for them royalties, look no further. It's time to come collect. Don't sign up for no label, no distribution company, none of that bullshit. Actually, maybe a distribution company, they could help you out. But don't let them take your music. Get your own ISRC codes and all that shit. But that's later. First things first, how do I get my royalties? You know what you need to do? You need to sign up for ASCAP, BMI, or if you're lucky enough, CSEC will be hitting you up too. You're not. If you're on here right now, that's not. You're not at that level at all. You're still trying to collect that money. And OG gonna tell you how to do it. First things first, go to BMI or ASCAP. CSEC, like I said, a whole nother level. ASCAP is who I personally go through. It costs me like $50 to $100, depending on what you do. Most artists only cost like $100, I think. Make sure you get a publishing company too, because you want to publish your own work as an independent artist. If you don't publish your own work, guess what? Someone else gonna collect that money from you. And OG always wants you to collect your money. So go out there, sign up with ASCAP BMI, the Performance Rights Organization, then watch my video after this.